you see me walking down the street, what are you doing? If you don't see the tears, just let me breathe. In private, 'cause each time I see you, I break down and cry.
46. I would say that we're a one-stop shop for pretty much all your building needs from the ground up.
That's Ernie Villers, our lumber sales manager.
One of the messages I like to send is that you don't know what you know. Until you get Jackson Lumber to try, you'll find out that the old way of doing things has changed and technology has played a big. You'll find out that the old way of doing things has changed and technology has played a big part in our ability to be able to service the customers on a level that's second to none.
Serving our customers is our number
Part in our ability to be able to service the customers on a level that's second to none.
Serving our customers is our #1 goal, and our team of sales professionals is second to none.
Our Jackson team of 23 consultants each have an average of about 20 plus years of experience.
Just a little bit there in the front. Just slightly off the ground is what it feels like from my end. But of course with the lockers, it's not really a concern left in the right wheels.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the back. Oh my God. What? That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no.
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
What are you doing?
Whoa, 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 whoa! How on earth could you not, like, see me?
So, how to flip a car. I present to you Idiot 1 and Idiot 2. So, this is a motorway in Pärnu, Estonia. Blue guy goes to the left, the white guy cuts him off, the blue guy gets pissed, overtakes him from the right, and cuts him off. The white guy is now super pissed and angry and wants to overtake him even one more time, and didn't quite get there. So yeah, that's how you flip a car. But on the positive side, you have very easy access now to the suspension, to the base of the car, to the wheels, everything. So yeah, thank you for watching my tutorial how to flip a car.
Really? Go! Excuse me, get in the car. No, I did not. I didn't see it. Can you get back in your car? Go get in your car. Calm down. Go for it. Go. Get in the car. Get in your car.
Oh my kid! I'll whoop your ass!
Get in the car. Crazy ass. Have a great day. Oh my God, I'm serious. Just get in your car.
Oh my mama!
Calm down.
You don't scare me.
You're not scaring me, so go somewhere. Go to your car. I didn't do nothing. Wow. It's on camera. So you got yourself an idiot.